So the trick is, this is 4, this is 0, this is 1, is to be divided by 9. So first write the number as it is, then 4 plus 0 is 4 and 4 plus 1 is 5. The last digit that is coming is the remainder. Shortcut trick to divide a number by 9. Okay, the first number is 401 divided by 9. So the trick is, this is 4, this is 0, this is 1, is to be divided by 9. So first write the number as it is, then 4 plus 0 is 4 and 4 plus 1 is 5. The last digit that is coming is the remainder. And the first two digit means this 44. This 44 is the quotient. Clear? So that means in this case the quotient is 44 and the remainder is 5. Clear? Now for the second number, this is 2, 1, 2 divided by 9. Write down the first number as it is, 2. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 2 is 5. So that means this 5 is the remainder and this 23 is the quotient. So in this case the quotient is 23, remainder is 5. The third number, the quotient will be clearly 5, then 5 plus 1, 6, and what will be the remainder? 6 plus 1 is 7. Understood? Okay. Now question number 4. The quotient will be first 1, then 1 plus 2, it is 3, 3 plus 0, 3. What will be the remainder? 3 plus 4 is 7. Try this one. 1, 2, 0, 4 divided by 9. First this number is written, it is 1, then 1 plus 2 it is 3, 3 plus 0 it is 3, 3 plus 4 it is 7. So this 7 is the remainder and this 133 is the quotient. Okay. Now the fifth question is a bigger number. Okay. So in this case we will do like this, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7 and 1. It is to be divided by 9. Okay. So first this 2 is written over here, then 2 plus 3 is 5, 5 plus 4 is 9, 9 plus 4 is 14. So write 4 over here and 1 carried. Okay. 14 plus 7 is 21. So 1 is written over here and here it is 2. Okay. Then 21 plus 1 is 22. So this is 2 and this is 2. But this 22 was the remainder. Okay. But the remainder cannot be 22. It is again divisible by 9. How many times? Obviously you can do like this again. It is 2 and remainder will be 2 plus 2, 4. So that means this 2 is basically this extra quotient that is coming. Okay. So in this case the quotient will be 2, 9 plus 1 is 10. That means it is becoming 6, 0. 4 plus 2 is 6 and 1 plus 2 is 3. So this is the quotient and what was the remainder? Remainder is 4. Okay. So the quotient is 26063 and the remainder is 4. I am understood with this? Okay, so proceed to the next question. It is 411 divided by 9. 411 divided by 9. First we will write the 4 as it is, then 4 plus 1 is 5. This is 4 2 1 1, sorry, 111 divided by 9. So that means this is 4, 4 plus 2 is 6, 6 plus 1 is 7, 7 plus 1 is 8, and 8 plus 1 is 9. This 9 should be the remainder, but 9 is also divisible by 9, so that means the remainder is 0. And since 9 is divisible by 9 in one time, so we will be adding this 1 over here. So that means the required quotient will be 4679. So in this case the quotient is 4679. And what is the remainder? The remainder is 0. Clear? Okay. Now for the 7th number, that is the last number, 214091. Okay, 2 as it is, 2 plus 1 is 3, 3 plus 4 is 7, 7 plus 0 is 7, 7 plus 9 is 16, 16 plus 1 is 17. So this 17 is the remainder, but it is also bigger than 9, so it will be divisible by how many times? In 1 times. So we will be adding 1 over here, and then 8 is the remainder. Yeah. So what is the quotient then? It is 7 8 7 3 2. So that means the quotient is 23787, and what is the remainder? Remainder is 8. You can check it also. See, 2 plus 1 3, 3 plus 4 7, 7 plus 0 7. But why it is 1 over here? Because 7 plus 9 was 16, so that 1 is carried over here, so that is 8, and 16 plus 1 is 17, so that's why it is written over here. Clear? And what is the remainder? 8. How? See, once again I am doing the 7th number. See, 214091, it is to be divided by 9. So that means first we will write 2 over here, then 2 plus 1 is 3, 3 plus 4 is 7, 7 plus 0 is 7, 7 plus 9 is 16, 16 plus 1 is 17, but it is bigger than 9. So how many times? 1 time. So this 1 is carried over here. So that means the required quotient is 78732, means 23787. Understood? And what was the remainder? Remainder is 8. Clear? Okay.